Study of reflection of light which is passing through the glass slab, glass prism. The aim is that to study the reflection of light through a glass prism by tracing the path of the ray of light passing through the prism and measuring the angle of deviation, angle of incidence and angle of emergence. The requirement is that wooden board, card sheet paper, prism, protractor and pins. Clear? Fix the paper on this wooden board, then place this prism like this here on this paper. Draw its boundary or make its boundary with the help of sharp pencil. Sharp pencil. Suppose that is A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, then draw the perpendicular or normal on side AB with the help of protractor. That is 90 degree. Is clear? Then draw the incident ray. This normal is intersect at point suppose Q. Draw the incident ray PQ which make the angle normal M1 and N1. Suppose that is a 60 degree. Measure this angle with the help of this protractor. From 90, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Incident. Clear? Fix the 2 pin on ray PQ in proper position. Replace this glass prism on its original position and observe the image of P1 and P2 through the glass slab from opposite side and fix the pin P3 and P4 such way that who is ready to fix this P3 and P4 pins exactly line in such way that the base of this pin is exactly in the line with the images of the base of the P1 and P2. Okay? P1 and P2. Is clear? Now just remove these pins and mark with the circle. Also remove this prism and join this circle with the help of ruler and draw the line through this. This line is intersect at on side AC at point R. Then draw the normal at point R with the help of this protractor. Is it clear? That is a 90 degree with the help of this protractor. This normal is nothing but that is a M2 and N2. Okay, just we got the emergence angle. Then join the reflected ray QR. Then extended this incident ray toward the forward direction. Also extended this emergence ray toward the forward direction. Exactly correct. And just we get this deviated angle, that is delta. Now we measure this, let us measure this deviated angle with the help of protractor like this. Now you measure this deviated angle like this from this. 10. What is the measurement of this?
20.
20 degree. 20 degree. Measure of incidence angle, that is 60 degree. Measure of deviated angle, that is 20 degree. It is less than incident angle. Also measure this emergence angle.
40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degree.
Measure of it is also less than incident angle. Okay.